says that we have to go past the crocodiles, through the cave, and by the snakes to get to Tico's park. Dora, look! It's Swiper! Oh no! Swiper wants to swipe Tico's birthday present! We need your help to get to Tico's party before Swiper gets there! Come on, vámonos! Use the mouse or click on the arrow keys to steer the raft. Try to catch stars along the way. Vámonos! Good star catch! Rocket star! He'll help us go fast! Yay! Oh no! Our raft lost some air! Don't let the raft run out of air! Look for an air. Give in! La estrella! Good start, Cat! Yay! Can you help us get past the crocodiles? Great! Click the up arrow to go forward. Try again. Excelente! Great! Let's keep going. Watch out for the crocodiles. Cuidado con los cocodrilos. All right! Great job! for the cave. Maybe the turtle will help us. This cave is tricky to sail through. Listening to my directions will help. First, go through the gate with the triangle. Then find the gate with the square. The last gate. Gracias. So remember, triangle, square, circle. Which gate should we go? Move the raft in front of the gate that has the correct. Muy bien. Look, more gates. Which way should we go? Move the raft in front of the gate that has the correct. That's not the right way. Let's try it. Muy bien. Look, more gates. Which way should we go? Move the raft in front of the gate that has the correct. Muy bien. Whee! Excelente! You did it! We got through the gate! La estrella! Good start, Cat! Yay! Look! It's a toucan! Across the river. How do we get through? Can you help us get past the swimming snake? Great! Click the up arrow to... Watch out for the snake! Watch out for the snake! Great! Let's keep going! All right! Excelente! Great! Let's keep going! All right! Yay! We got past the snake! Hooray! Look! There's Tico's party! We're almost there! Oh no! There's Swiper! He's ahead of us! We need to go muy rápido to get to the party first! Catch Rocket Star to help us go fast! Rocket Star! So we can go fast! Yay! Rocket Star! Hang on! Here we go! We made it to Tico's Swiper's gonna try and swipe Tico's presents. Quick! We have to stop him. Say Swiper, no swiping.
Oh, man!
Yay! We stopped Swiper and made it to Tico's birthday party. Sí, al cumpleaños de Tico. We did it! That was a great race! Hooray! Hola, Swiper! We're on our way to Tico's birthday party. Sí, al cumpleaños de Tico. Map says that we have to go past the crocodiles, through the cave, and by the snakes to get to Tico's party. Dora, look! It's Swiper! Oh no! Swiper wants to swipe Tico's birthday present. We need your help to get to Tico's party before Swiper gets there. Come on, vámonos! Use the mouse or click on the arrow keys to steer the raft. Oh, and try to catch stars along the way. Vámonos! Rocket Star! He'll help us go fast! Oh no! Our raft lost some air! If we keep losing air, we'll need to find an air. Yay! Be careful! Oops! Look! Cuidado! Oh no! Oh no! Our raft is out of air! There's the air pump to help us refill. Use the space bar to pump up the raft. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.